This is Parashat Vaera, one of the greatest parashut in Parashat is Parashat Vaera. In Parashat Vaera, the greatest contract in the world was signed in Parashat Vaera. The Baruch Hu tells Klal Israel, this is the fourth Chosot Pesach. I take you out of the burdens of the Mitzrayim. And I save you from the slavery. Third, we got it and I redeem you. Fourth one, I take you as a nation. That's the greatest contract in the world. You're going to become fully in the wing of HaKadosh Baruch Hu and the wing of Hashem. You're going to become the avodim of Hashem. You're going to redeem yourself from the Mitzrayim. And you're going to be with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. That's the greatest. So imagine somebody is in disaster. Everything is going wrong with him. And you're going to come with such an offer, beautiful offer. Everybody would accept the offer right away. Now, Torah says, Moshe came and Israel. Moshe came and Israel came and he gave such a beautiful offer, the greatest offer in the world. But they didn't listen to Moshe because of the shortness of breath and the work that was hard. With the hard work and shortness of the breath. Because the Ruba, they didn't listen. The Torah is teaching us, you might have the best offer, you might make the best point for somebody, but as long as he's not in the state of accepting that, he will not accept it. The state and the mood of the person at that time is very important. Therefore, they felt under a lot of pressure. And the pressure, nothing works. Even if you have the best offer in the world. If you have a home full of pressure, you buy the best gift, means nothing. You provide the best things at home, it's nothing. Most important thing is not that pressure. Now it's interesting that the Midrash says different reason. The Midrash says they didn't accept because they were atukin ba'avodah zarah, still atukin ba'avodah zarah. They were attached to avodah zarah still. Idol worshiping. They didn't accept this offer because still they were attached to idol worship. Now, Mepharshim asks, what's going on? Torah tells us it's because of the pressure. Midrash tells us it's because of avodah zarah, idol worshiping. Which one is that? Is it idol worshiping or is it pressure? No, the Torah is like a surgeon. Surgeon, speaking of Torah as a surgeon, goes to the root of the dog. Midrash is telling us face value of the things, what's happening, description of the face value. In other words, really, in reality, in other words, like somebody has a pain in his foot, goes to a regular doctor. The doctor says, let's give you medicine for pain of the foot, but it doesn't go away, nothing happens. Then he goes to a surgeon. The surgeon says that you have a nerve in your head, that's something wrong with that. That causes this pain. The doctor, I have pain in my foot, there's something wrong with my brain. Yes, that happens. Here also, Moshe Rabbeinu is telling surgeon, telling us the problem is because of the pressure, shortness of the breath, hard work. Since there was pressure and hard work, they couldn't detach themselves from those hard. Really, the Har Israel, they wanted, they loved it, they wanted very much to detach themselves from the Zorah, idol worship. But when you live a life of pressure, shortness of breath, and hard work, that maintains you in a state that you are. You don't want to change, you don't want to get out of it. Even though that getting out of it is the best remedy, it's ironic. But that's a psychological person. Doesn't want anything, doesn't have patience, not tolerance for instance. Rather than staying mud. Person wants to stay in mud and he prefers the mud rather than anything else. Therefore, from here we learn out that what does pressure does to a person. Pressure is worse than avodah zarah. Avodah zarah, you do if the person has a taiva to do worship, idol worship, he would actually get out of it, somehow gets out of it. But Torah is telling us pressure, even if you want to get out of it, you cannot. Once you live in pressure, the taivot, the downfall, the pitfalls, even a person wants to get out of them, but the pressure doesn't let the person to get out of it. He wants to change, he wants to do something. Therefore, Torah is telling us that we should look at the pressure of life worse than idol worshiping. Somebody goes home and he sees there is a pressure in things at home. The carpool doesn't work so well. The finance doesn't work so well. Everything's so pressured. The talking, communication, the relationship. Say, okay, every house is like that. Every house is under pressure. What should I do? He doesn't find a remedy for the pressure. What happens? Becomes greater and greater and greater, and takes away the stability of the home. Takes away the ruach of the home. Takes away ruach of Torah from the home. Like the parasha says, when the frogs came, Hashem said only one frog. And only one frog came. But they hid it. One became two, two became four, four became eight, eight became 16, and more and more. Now, Hashem say, why did Hakadosh Baruch Hu do that? Because Hakadosh Baruch Hu wants to say, we are creating plagues for ourselves. There's only one frog. We could deal with it, not to hid it. Hiding it and putting under the carpet and not dealing with the problem in the right way, the problem becomes double, becomes more and more. The person has to learn how to deal with the problem and find the remedy, rather than just put under the carpet or hiding the problem. With that, we have to look at the partial as unbelievable lesson in life, especially nowadays in society that we're living. You have to look at pressure of life like Avodah Zarah. Take away pressure. Any little bit pressure that you take away, better you are, because little bit, when it gets together, it becomes a big thing. And that ruins the stability of the home, ruins ruach of the home. The mother that should be kind, patient, takes away the stability with screaming at the children, and the consequence would be so great. Therefore, we have to look at the pressure like Avodah Zarah, to uproot, just like we are so ready and so eager to uproot Avodah Zarah from home. We have to be so eager and ready to uproot pressure from home. Hashem should be house full of nachat, serenity.